So, some important question answers from lesson 2, that is the nutrition in animals. So what is the question number 1? Question number 1 is answer the following question in one word. So here you have to write only the answer. Name the process in which the small pieces of food get mixed with saliva by chewing? The answer is mastication. 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 Number B. Name the white and hardest substance which covers the teeth. It is the enamel. Number C. Name an enzyme which breaks down the starch present in the food into sugars. That is the amylase, which is present in the saliva. And the saliva is secreted by the salivary gland in our buccal cavity. So the name of the enzyme is amylase. Amylase is present in saliva. Number D, name the largest gland in the body. The answer is liver. Name the longest part of the alimentary canal, and the answer is small intestine. Next question is, how are milk or temporary teeth different from permanent teeth? So here in the PDF you will get the 4 differences. So number 1 difference is temporary teeth grow when the child is in the age group of 6 months to 8 years. But the permanent teeth grow after the milk teeth fall out and remain till old age. Number 2 is temporary teeth are smaller and weaker, and but the permanent teeth are bigger and stronger. Temporary teeth are 20 in number, permanent teeth are 32 in number. Next, the difference is milk teeth have, or the temporary teeth have, much thinner enamel than the permanent teeth, but in case of the permanent teeth, the enamel layer is much thicker than the milk teeth. Next is question number 3. Draw and describe the structure and function of each type of teeth. So here first you have to draw the actually the question some mistake is there here. Draw the different types of teeth and discuss their structure and function. So the answer is we have 4 different types of teeth. That is the permanent teeth. 4 different types of permanent teeth: incisor, canines, premolars, and molars. So you have to write about the structure of each and every teeth and their function. So number 1 is incisor. Incisors are flat and blade-like teeth present in front part of each jaw. We have 2 jaw in our buccal cavity, upper jaw and the lower jaw. So in each jaw, the incisors are flat and blade-like teeth present in front part. In front part. These teeth are used to bite and cut the food particles into smaller pieces. Number 2 is the canines, and these are present on either side of the incisor. So both the sides we get the canines. These are 2 in number. That means in each jaw 2 canines are there. These are sharp and pointed teeth which help to tear the food. It helps in, these teeth help in tearing the food. Number number 3 is premolars. There are 2 premolars next to each canine, 4 in each jaw, and have broad and flat grinding surfaces. They help to grind and break the food into small pieces. Molars, these teeth have broad and grinding surfaces like premolars but are larger than premolars. These teeth are also used to cut and grind the food, and you have to draw the diagram of each and every tooth. Now, next the question is, a person got her gallbladder removed surgically. That means the gallbladder is removed from the person body. As she was diagnosed with stones in her gallbladder. After the surgery, she faced problems in digestion of certain food items when consumed in bulk. Can you tell which kind of food items would they be and why? Now you have to think about that what is the function of the gallbladder. Gallbladder store the bile juice temporarily, which is secreted by the liver, and this bile juice helps to digest the fats. Clear? So here the food items would be those which contains fats, because the bile juice stored in gallbladder helps in the digestion of fats, and removal of gallbladder leads to difficulty in digestion of fats which is present in that particular type of food items. Number 5. Priya was eating her food hurriedly because the lunch time was about to be over. Suddenly she started coughing violently. Give reason for the same. Why? Because as she was eating hurriedly, her food got choked in her food pipe and she could not breathe properly due to lack of oxygen, which caused coughing. So, these are the some important question answers. Now, some more question answers are there. Say, for example, draw the structure of the ruminant's stomach and discuss the process of digestion. Now, what you will write? You have to draw the stomach, the only the picture of the four chamber stomach of the ruminant, and you have to write about the process of digestion in case of ruminant. So it starts with the ruminants bite the food and chew the food hurriedly and swallow it. Then the swallowed food goes to the chamber number 1, that is the rumen. From the rumen, it goes to the reticulum, and then reticulum again the ruminants bring back the food into their mouth for the chewing. So that is called the cud, chewing the cud. After that, it goes to the third chamber, that is the osmosis, and from that abomasum, where the digestion is completed. So the whole process you have to write, and you have to draw the structure of the four chamber stomach of the ruminants. Another question is there, draw and describe the process of digestion in human beings. So there also you have to write the process of digestion in short. Clear? So after another very important question answers is there, draw and describe the structure of a tooth. So this is also very important question. Another very important question, because all these question answers are there already in the study material. That's why I don't want to give in the this today's PDF. Another very important question is there, that is the discuss the or describe the process of digestion and absorption in case of amoeba. So you have to draw, and then you have to only describe the process of digestion by that means forming the food vacuoles, and how does the amoeba uh, absorb that food. So up to this you have to write. I think it is clear to you all. Now you will get the that means after getting the PDF of this important question answers, please write down the question answers in your copy, and then you just send the your work, classwork, please you send it to me, clear, for the correction. Is it clear, everyone? Oh, okay. And the chapter is clear to you. You all have understood the chapter, each and every topic, and the voice clippings are there. Okay. So that voice clippings also you have to listen very carefully, because some questions answers are there in that voice clippings. Some of the important questions. Clear? So now please you go to your WhatsApp groups and please write down the answers from the PDF.